If you're somebody who is looking for fulfillment in these areas, you want community, you want more fulfillment financially, you want more customers, you want more friends, you want more importantly, you just really want to accomplish having some freedom. And right now you're living in a box. You're working in a box, you're talking on a box, you're glued to this device, this platform, whether it's Clubhouse, whether it's Facebook, whether it is Instagram, right? All those things. Maybe you're somebody who does not really like to be too much in the spotlight, but you want to attract certain people and you want to do it in a manner where it's like being you. You're attracting people as yourself without forcing it. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that in this video. Keep watching. Well, there's several ways to do it. It's not just a one size fit all. It really evolves around you. What kind of people do you want to work with? Don't you want to be appreciated, right? But you got to ask yourself, what do you want to be appreciated doing? What do you want to be known for? You know, is it easy for people to find you? Are your messages clearly conveyed? Do people see you enough? And so, like, with me personally, it used to be about, you know, connecting and being in all these different places, right? And doing this and doing that. And then I found a better way that optimizes with me and who I am. So, like, the way this road works today with social media and everything being a spotlight, if people don't see certain things, they tend to think of you as MIA, or they tend to think you aren't doing things, you know, and what ends up happening is people make assumptions. Now, this is a two-way streak, all right? Two-way streak, because one thing that's important is points of views, perspective. Just because you don't see something doesn't mean it's not being done. At the same time, if you're trying to be known for something, if you're not seen today, then, you know, how are they going to connect with you? And that's an important message to understand as well. In that is how you do it. You know, it is really about not only having a stance and a position, but a way that you maneuver and operate. You know, your operation is going to dictate your freedom. Literally, what is it you're doing consistently? So one of the things I fortunately built was I built a system of operations that, you know, was created based off the merits of my past struggles of what I didn't want. You know, I didn't want to be trapped behind a desk. I wanted to be able to move and operate in any way that I can and help others do the same. And so I'm very grateful to say I've done that. You know, the only thing dependent upon success is the inputs. And, you know, those are the things that are always happening. And that's what's important for you. You know, one of the important things I have been working on is community, which is the biggest thing. You know, first it was to create freedom for myself, right? So I have a few things that I've created and designed that has helped to serve the individuals that I've devoted my life to serving in my business and my purpose. You know, I have created different sectors in how I deliver what I do. The message never changes. It's just how deep it goes and the way I deliver. I have a book that I wrote. The other one is my coaching, one-on-one coaching. That became time consuming. So all I wanted was a certain amount of clients. I was able to accomplish that, and I take clients from time to time, as long as they're a good fit and it fits the mission and what it is that I stand for, and that I know that will be a good working relationship. Because when you're working with someone so deeply and so closely to their dreams, it's very important that you have a good chemistry and that I have the ability to serve them. That I do from time to time and bringing people on, but very rarely, because I don't want to give up too much of my time and energy. So I'm very selective in the people that I bring in. Then is what I'm working on now. I have one already, but I'm making an even more exclusive group, community, I like to say, because it's where we fellowship, it's where we grow together, it's where we strategize together, it's where we thrive together, it's where we grow past our problems and things going on. Exclusive group as well as some mastermind. I do have one out here in California and LA that's in person, but I also have one that is virtual. Right now we're doing a hybrid approach considering everything going on. And so that's where a lot of my energy has been devoted. I'm also working on another project. And so those are the things that I like to do and devote my craft and energy to, is creating ways to. Lastly is my accelerator program, which is a program that gives you access to all the resources, all the tools, and pretty much works with you one-on-one in like a traditional, not really a traditional, because nothing we do is traditional, but really is a program designed to walk on at your pace, and you go through the exercises and you get the modules and things like that. That's the CBS Academy of Business accelerator program, and that's like my main product, and I created that to create my freedom. And so why am I sharing all these things with you? The reason I'm sharing these is to show you the importance of versatility and delivery, and each thing serves in a different way, but also creates certain types of realities and freedom for myself. And when I connect with people, I never force upon which one for them to select. I more so learn more about their situations and point them to the one that I think makes sense based off of their situation, their goals, and their community, or not their community, their style of learning. I think that that's important, because as a service provider, you need to learn how to serve. So that's what I really want to get towards. Having an intention for how you serve, not just offering business, not just, taking dollars left and right. Like, that never was my style. It's about a two-way streak. Do you have a business that reflects the freedom that you want to manifest and create? And also, is it scalable? And do you have a way that optimizes customers or clients to maximize it? So right now, I just shared all my dream, not my dream, but I literally just shared with you everything that I have. That is my art. That is my Picasso. And the one thing that never changes is the merits, the principles. I've spoken at events. I've been guest on several podcasts. I've done several different things. But what stays unique is myself and everything. And that's what I want to share with you. Find a way to create your freedom, being yourself, your best evolved self, of course, versus a place where you have to wear mask. That's what a lot of us wear today. Let it go. I don't need to create all those different things. Mind you, I've been doing this for over 6 years now. These all started based off of pain points and off of years of experiences and different things I went through. Actually, it was created before 6 years ago, and everything made sense. Right now I'm working on a community project because I want to foster a community environment, a thriving people, and to just be alone, because we're 5%ers, right? So there's not many of us, and a lot of us are competing when we need to be collaborating. And so with that being said, if you're somebody who is looking to be an accelerator program, looking to take your startup journey to another level, maximize your opportunities, and I'm talking about from scratch. As long as you got the willpower, the determination will take care of the rest. I'm going to be personally interviewing individuals to see if they're going to be a good fit for the type of environment we're fostering for this program. And literally, these are for people who are in the dreaming stage or people who are stuck in their business and trying to jumpstart something, or they have something that is stuck and they want to scale it past where they are. And really just to have fun. It's not just all strategy and discipline, but more so about serving each other, giving you a chance to shine, and to really help you evolve past where you are, to help you create that lifestyle, to help you build past where you are, and to help you build a business that is here to stay versus crashes during events like Corona or any economic challenges that come up. To put you in a place where you're in control of everything that you do. What you do is bring the what, we'll teach you the how. All right? Literally create, build, sustain in all you do. If this is you, DM me the word create, and I'll be sure to reach out to you with the details, and also set up, give you the application. We could see, where you are in your journey, and then we'll book a call one-on-one, and then we'll see where you fit. Thank you for watching this. It means a lot to me. I'm very grateful for you all. I appreciate you all. Make sure you create, build, sustain in all you do. It's your boy Vince. Stay blessed.